Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you how you can activate your Etisalat eSIM. So for that you will need your UAE Pass account. So you will need this UAE Pass account to create your account in My Etisalat app. So you need My Etisalat app downloaded and installed on the device that you want to get the eSIM on. So first of all, log in with your My Etisalat UAE app, and then you'll have to go to manage on your app's homepage, and then under SIM cards you will see option like replace SIM, switch to eSIM option. You'll have to choose I want to switch to an eSIM, and then you'll have to press continue, and then you will have to tap on continue with UAE Pass and allow the app to access your Emirates ID. After that, all you have to do is agree to the terms and condition and tap confirm, and after a few minutes your request will be approved. So this is how you can activate your Etisalat eSIM. That was all for today guys. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.